Lots of grease from over the years, caught up in the welds and behind some of the brackets. Of course, you know the paint's not going to stick to the grease. So all that stuff has to come off. All right, we're back at something. Hey, today's project, we're going to clean, sand, prime, seal, and paint a vintage motorcycle, Honda motorcycle, similar to a 305 Dream. And we're going to paint the gas tank. As you've seen in another video, we did some etching primer and stuff on it, cover the body work. We've dry sanded it, and we'll seal it, seal the frame, seal the forks. I got the forks soaking right now in some simple green. That's the best product to use up against paint, any kind of painted surface, because it's paint friendly, still clean, you know, wax and grease remove everything. But anyway, extra careful around where the motor and stuff goes, because it had a lot of grease built up and stuff in here, and it's original lacquer paint. You can see back in the day, they just kind of blew the paint up in there best they could. I mean, it wasn't anything special back in the day, just the outside was shiny. It's the old lacquer paint. But this paint is stuck very, very good. So we'll probably sand down as much as we can, get into grooves. But this project didn't allow for any type of media blasting or stripper or anything like that. So we're gonna get it really good and clean it where all the grease and stuff went, and move on from there. All right, so we shook the paint up really good. We got it mixed up 2 to 1. We got it in the water, and we are fixing to paint the frame and the forks. All right, got the base coats on. Getting it ready for clear. Letting it all flash off a little bit. Then we'll make it shiny. All right, 2 coats of clear. I'll call it good at that, because any more and it's gonna put texture on it, it's gonna have to be buffed out. And this will smooth out some. It's a slow reducer. It's not exactly the right color. The actual color was a candy apple red from Honda, a lacquer. But for what he's gonna do with this, ride it and enjoy it, this was a pretty good choice. It's really a pretty red. Jaguar red. And I cannot remember what the silver was on the tank. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share. It's not informational or anything like that. It's just kind of what's going on today. Have any questions about this, please ask. And if you like the color, just comment or give us a thumbs up. It means a lot. It shows the growth of the channel. Thanks again.